Hello and welcome to the erupting volcano. This is activity number 5 and this will be, Aaron?
Well, students are going to make their very own volcano here using just a few simple ingredients. First, we're going to need some baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. We've also got some vinegar here, but if you notice, the color is orange because we've added some food coloring to give it that extra lava flavor. So, when we mix the vinegar and the baking soda in the volcano, we're going to get a chemical reaction that creates lots of carbon dioxide gas. That gas is going to bubble up over the top, and it's going to look just like lava flowing. All right, Darren, you excited?
Oh, I totally concur with your last statement, and I'm very, very excited. Yes, so I hope you are, boys and girls, here in the dance room at Mark for Future.
All right,
Let's get bubbling.
Let's get erupting. Let's go.